Today we'll be doing Mee Rebus, and so here I have the rumpa that I've already made, which is consisting of 10 grams of ginger, 10 grams of galangal, 3 red onion chopped, 50 grams of dried shrimp that I have soaked for 15 minutes and drained, 80 grams of fermented soya bean or tau chiong, 5 tablespoons of meat curry powder, 2 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, and half a cup of water. And I blend it together, and this is how it looks. And here I have 1 kilo of sweet potato that I have steamed for 40 minutes and mashed. I will need also 2 liters of water to make the gravy. And over here, to put together the Mee Rebus, I have fried tofu cubes and some of the fried mini shrimps. This is optional, it's up to you. Here I have 5 pieces of green chili sliced, and here is 200 grams of blanched bean sprout, 6 hard-boiled eggs, and this is 1 kilograms of yellow noodles that I have blanched and drained. 100 ml of cooking oil, and add in the paste. Stir it and cook it for about 30 minutes on medium. 30 minutes up. Make sure that you keep on stirring it so that it doesn't burn from the beginning. And after this, we will add in the mashed sweet potato. And the brown sugar, and then the water. I'm putting in half a liter first. And then now the rest of the 1.5 liter. Then lastly, you add in the 1 teaspoon of salt. And let it bring it to a ball. So it has come to a ball. You can turn off the heat now. We are ready to assemble the Mee Rebus. So we have a handful of the yellow noodles. So put a bit of the bean sprout in, and then put in the egg. Then a bit of the fried tofu, a little bit of the dry fried mini shrimp, and a little bit of the green chili, sliced chili. Then we'll put in the sprinkle a bit of the ketchup manis and a little bit of the coriander. There it is. Enjoy your meal!